Today, we're going to meet an exceptional individual who's extremely inspirational and can be looked up to by everyone in society. Palak is a highly motivated, talented, and happy go lucky 27-year-old girl. Palak was born with Down syndrome, which is a genetic chromosome 21 disorder causing developmental and intellectual delays. Thankfully, due to her parents being doctors, it was detected at an early stage and early intervention was possible. She completed her hospital management and currently works in a hospital along with her parents. So let's meet Palak and let her herself introduce herself to you.
Hi everyone, I am Palak. I study in regular school. I passed my 12th in 2012. I took training to work in hospital. I am doing a job as assistant manager since 7 years. My school, my teachers, my classmates, my friends, my town, everything played very important role in my life.
Luckily for Palak, she got the opportunity to grow up in an accepting and inclusive environment that cherished her and motivated her to be independent and self-sufficient.
The most important is having an inclusive home. I was not discounted for manners, discipline, behavior, responsibilities, and hard work. I was treated equally. For my parents, I and my brother were same. I did everything that my brother did. Inclusive home is the key factor for my extra chromosome to become extraordinary.
Palak is an excellent communicator and loves to travel, dance, and has recently started baking. She is extremely close to her family and shares a very special bond with her father.
Hello everyone, this is Piyush. Palak is lucky to have two moms. One, the real mom, and the other, her elder brother. And I am her sibling. As such, our family is very happy-go and easy-going type of family. But in particular, myself and Palak, we share a special relationship of Tom and Jerry. I am very happy to have Palak in our lives as she has connected us very deeply and very happily. Palak is source of all good in our lives.
Hello everyone, my greetings to all the parents and everyone watching this video. My name is Purvaj Piyush Vaidya and I am the brother of my sweet little darling sister Palak Piyush Vaidya, who is a Down syndrome kid. For me, growing up with my sister was like growing up with myself. Me and my sister, we share a very special bond. We have our own world. I can't put it into words, but we love each other the most. Down syndrome, DS. For me, DS has other different positive meanings like diligent souls or delicate souls. And Down syndrome kids have an extra chromosome. So everything they do and everything they conquer, it will be double of what they do because they have an extra chromosome. So that is something you should take pride of. Just put in a little bit of hard work and efforts in the beginning, and these kids can do wonders. They can hold impeccable records, and these kids as such, they are very exuberant, very ebullient, full of energy, and they are born with positive vibes. So you give them your 100% and they will give back their 500% to you, because it is their basic nature. Their basic nature is very, very giving, very loving, very caring. So treat them like normal people, treat them like you treat yourself. If the parents or the siblings won't consider them as their own, why would the world care? Inclusion is very important and it begins at home itself.
Our simple and practical ways helped Palak to cope well academically. She studied in a regular school with ease and effectivity. Her high confidence enabled her to communicate very well with people around, and at present also she is having many social circles apart from her school friends. To me, the word special, we need to remove the word special and focus on functional skills. The road to academic, formal learning, academics and social engagements passes through functional skills. There should be awareness programs for doctors, especially pediatricians, neonatologists, obstetricians and family physicians. We all want an inclusive society. Unless we provide inclusive homes, we will not get an inclusive society. So, to parents, I want to say, provide inclusive homes to our children. Accept, love, and trust the abilities of your children. They are givers. You will get a lot from them. Thank you.